Welcome back to our channel, Ma and me.
Hi, today I'm going to give you some tips on how to make your own skin softener and how to take care of your dark circles and your cuticles and etc. So let us start. Yes, we'll first start with making a cuticle softener. Now, as you all know, if you paint your nails, you need to push back the cuticles, and this is the cuticle. This is what is called the cuticle, and this is what is called orange sticks, which you will require to push back the cuticle. So to make your own homemade cuticle softener, you will need glycerine. This is glycerine, easily available at your chemist and also on Amazon. And you will need hydrogen peroxide, also available at the chemist and on Amazon. So I have poured a required amount of hydrogen peroxide, to which I will add the glycerine. So the proportion would be 100 ml of glycerine to 25 ml of hydrogen peroxide. You just mix the two together. I'll add in more glycerine, as you'll have to put the proportion of 100 ml. And just 25 ml of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide basically is used to clean and whiten this area, because this tends to be a little darker than the rest of your nail area, and the glycerine is for softening. You mix the two together like this, dip your cuticle stick in it, and gently push back your cuticles. Just like this. This has to be done each time you paint your nails and has to be done regularly. So you will notice a big difference if it is done regularly. Okay, so this is the making of a cuticle softener. 100 ml of glycerine and 25 ml of hydrogen peroxide. Mix together, and you can store in a bottle and use whenever you require it. So next, I'm going to tell you all, I'll give you all the recipe for making it, but you'll have to source all the products which are available on Amazon. This is a skin softener. It's an all-purpose cream for which you will need the products that you are going to use are all easily available. There's no question of not getting any of the items. You will have 100 grams of white Vaseline. You know what is white Vaseline? The white petroleum jelly that you get, that is white Vaseline. 100 grams of liquid paraffin, that also is easily available at the chemist. Then you will need 5 grams of beeswax, 5 grams of white wax. Then you will need some color. So to use the color for this, you will need the color from the lipstick. You just take a piece, because you just want a light color. You don't want a bright color. You want a light color. So you just take a piece from your lipstick, a very tiny piece, and you will use any essential oil of your choice. So you know there are a lot of essential oils available in the market. Whichever fragrance you like, you use it. Now all this will be put together and put on a double boiler method. That means you will have one container of water and a smaller container with all these ingredients. So basically you add the perfume and the color after you have dissolved all the ingredients. After all the ingredients have dissolved, then you take it off from the stove, and then you can add the color, a piece of lipstick color, as I told you. Maybe if you use a piece of red, it will give it a pinkish tint, or a piece of orange color, it will give it a hint of orange. and then you use your essential oil. Essential oil, you get lemon, orange, lavender, whatever you like. You just put a few drops of that oil after taking it off from the stove. So after you have melted the Vaseline, that is the white petroleum jelly, after you have melted that and you have melted the liquid paraffin together, then you take it off from the stove. Then you can add in your color and your perfume. Let it cool, mix it 2 or 3 times, and then store it in a glass jar. Now this can last you for a very long time. It can last you up to 8 months, 6 months to 8 months. And whenever you need for a skin softener, for a hand cream, or for a foot massage, or a hand massage or manicure, that is very, very nice to use. So please, you can try it anytime you like. Should you all need it, I will put the recipe down and you all can take the recipe from the net. And as I said, the 5 grams of beeswax and the 5 grams of white wax is very easily available. So you have to dissolve all this together. The liquid paraffin, the white petroleum jelly, the beeswax and the white wax. In a double boiler method, you just dissolve it, take it off, then you add your piece of lipstick color, and then you add in the essential oil of your choice. So that completes it. You store it in jars and it can last you for 6 to 8 months. And as I said, it's very good for a pedicure, manicure, and if you have very dry skin, it's also good for a facial. That is if you have very dry skin, because it's a very rich cream. So now you'll have the recipe for skin softener for the hands, the feet and the face, and you'll have the cuticle softener also recipe. So now I'm going to give you some tips. Next, we'll have some treatment for dark circles. You need to grate the potatoes. This is grated potato. You need to put it in a piece of gauze. These sheets of gauze are available in these kind of packets from the chemist. They come for 18 rupees a packet. These are the gauze sheets. And you just cut small pieces like this. You fill in the potato. You tie it like this and you place them, lie down and place them on your eyes, on the dark circles. This helps to reduce the dark circles. So you make 2 of these. You make 2 of them. You cut 2 pieces of this gauze, put the grated potato in them and lie down for 15 minutes with them on your eyes under the dark circles. Immediately, this first brightens up the eyes and it helps the dark circle. If you use it once a week, you will get results in a month's time. Then, to brighten your eyes, we also use used tea bags. Don't throw away your used tea bag. Wash them out and keep them. And just lie down and put them over your eyes. Immediately it refreshes the eyes. Use tea bags. Cucumber slices placed on the eyes also are very helpful for dark circles. Now, if you want to apply makeup and you have a very oily skin, before you apply the makeup, the only way to prevent so much of oil from coming out on your face is to use ice cubes. You put ice cubes into a cloth, a cheesecloth like this or a bandage cloth like this, into this gauze, and you keep on dabbing it all over your face for at least 15 minutes to cool your skin before applying makeup. Then your makeup will last longer. And when you have a facial, generally with the facial they do steaming. So always remember after the steaming to make sure to give a cooling pack an ice pack or to use icy cold water splashed in your face. If not, the pores will be open and you will have a problem with enlarged pores. So to close the pores after you're steaming, make sure you use ice water. The best part is that some of these remedies that I've given you all are very easily made because they're made with things we have at home. Like if you're having a dark circle, you just take a little half a potato, grate it and keep it and use it for your dark circle. After you made your tea, don't throw away the tea bag. You just store it in the fridge. And then whenever you need to use it and refresh your eyes, you use them. So there's no wastage of anything. And the other products that I've given you, glycerine, hydrogen peroxide, and for making the cream, those products are very reasonably priced and available very easily also. So it depends. Maybe if you're making it yourself, one person, then it may be a little bit on, just not much, just a little on the costly side. But if maybe two people are making it together, then the cost is split. Then it's very, very cheap. Then it becomes very cheap. Because the products are all within 200 rupees, most of the products that are available. All within 200 rupees for a good quantity. So if you don't mind and if you're going to make it for yourself, fine, it's okay. If not, as I said, 2 to 3 people getting together and doing it, the cost is absolutely nothing. It's absolutely nothing. So do try all these remedies and I'm sure just like me, you all too will love them. This is part 2 of my home remedies. Earlier I had given you all part 1, this is part 2 and part 3 will be coming up very shortly. So look forward to that. Bye. Do subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up if you like our video.
Share it with your friends and family and hit the bell icon to get notified each time we upload a video. Till the next video. Bye.